Have you ever wondered what your mechanic isn't telling you? What if I told you that there are secrets hidden in plain sight that could save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars? Today, we're diving into 22 car repair secrets your mechanic may not want you to know. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about free services at auto parts stores. Many auto parts stores, like Pep Boys and AutoZone, offer complimentary services. They can perform tasks like battery swaps, tire alignments, and even check engine scans at no charge. This can save you a significant amount of money on labor costs. Before heading to a mechanic, check with your local parts store for available services. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Please subscribe to my channel if you like real automotive contents. The second secret is all about timing your repairs. If you're planning to book repairs, avoid Fridays. Mechanics often rush through work at the end of the week, which can lead to mistakes. Instead, consider scheduling your repairs for Monday or even dropping your car off for an extended period. This ensures that your mechanic has ample time to give your vehicle the attention it deserves. A little planning can make a big difference in the quality of service you receive. The third secret is to buy your own parts. Many repair shops mark up the prices of the parts they supply. If you purchase OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts yourself and have the shop install them, you can save a lot of money. This way, you're ensuring quality parts without the inflated prices. Always compare prices and do your research before purchasing parts. Next, let's talk about the importance of following your owner's manual. Many mechanics will try to upsell you on maintenance that isn't necessary. Stick to the maintenance schedule outlined in your manual and politely decline extras like unnecessary transmission or fuel system flushes. The manufacturer knows what your car needs, so trust their recommendations. Ignoring these can save you money in the long run. The fifth secret involves do-it-yourself basics. Handling simple tasks yourself can save you a ton of money. For example, an oil change kit costs around $40 if you auto it yourself, compared to about $40 if you do it yourself, compared to about $40 if you auto it yourself, compared to about $75 at a shop. Replacing brake pads is another task that, while time-consuming, can be managed at home. Don't panic if your check engine light comes on. It often indicates minor issues that can wait a bit. Just keep an eye on it. Moving on to the sixth secret, when faced with a major repair, always get multiple quotes. Don't just settle for the first estimate you receive. Call 2 or 3 other shops with the same problem description. If one quote is significantly higher, that's a red flag. Comparing estimates not only helps you save money but also ensures you're not paying for unnecessary work or inflated parts. The seventh secret is to demand written estimates. Always insist on a written, itemized estimate for parts and labor. Never agree to repairs based on a handshake or verbal promise. A clear written estimate protects you from hidden fees. If your mechanic can't provide this, it's a good idea to consider looking elsewhere. The eighth secret is about requiring approval for extras. If your mechanic discovers additional repairs are needed, they should call you for approval before proceeding. Don't let them fix or replace anything beyond the original estimate without your consent. This prevents surprise charges and keeps your budget intact. Always stay in control of your expenses. Now, let's talk about inspecting parts and getting your old ones back. When a shop claims a part is broken, ask to see it. A reputable mechanic will show you the failed component. Also, request that they return your old parts. By law, those removed parts belong to you. If they refuse, that's a sign something might be wrong. Always stay informed about what's happening with your vehicle. The 10th secret is to beware of cash-only deals. If a repair shop insists on cash payments, be cautious. Cash-only transactions eliminate the paper trail, making it hard to dispute charges later. Protect yourself by using credit or debit cards whenever possible. This adds a layer of security to your transactions. The 11th secret is to choose OEM over bargain parts. Some shops may use cheaper aftermarket parts to save costs. Ask your mechanic which brand they're installing. If you value reliability, insist on genuine OEM or name brand parts. Quality shops should use components with better warranties, ensuring your car runs better for longer. The 12th secret is to watch out for low oil scams. Be wary of mechanics who claim your oil is low when it's not. If you haven't added oil recently, question this claim. It could be a sales tactic. Similarly, if a shop charges for a new air filter but doesn't install one, speak up. Always be vigilant about unnecessary expenses that can add up quickly. Next, let's ignore those gimmicky fixes. Mechanics may suggest fuel system cleaners, battery replacements, or other services without proof they're necessary. Always ask for diagnostics before approving such claims. If something seems unnecessary, don't hesitate to question it. Remember, it's your wallet on the line. The 14th secret involves watching the mechanic's attitude. A trustworthy mechanic won't get annoyed when you ask questions. If they snap at you for requesting paperwork or explanations, that's a warning sign. You're paying for their service, and they should be patient with your inquiries. If hostility arises, it might be time to find a new mechanic. The 15th secret is to verify the shop's credentials. Check the Better Business Bureau or online reviews for complaints about the shop. Ask if their technicians are ASE certified in relevant areas. A shop proud of its certifications is less likely to pull a fast one on you. Always do your homework before handing over your keys. Moving on to the 16th secret, let's talk about DIY tasks. Beyond oil changes and brakes, many basic tasks like changing air filters or wiper blades can be handled yourself. Each DIY task saves you labor costs, meaning a smaller bill when you do need professional help. The more you can do yourself, the more money you'll save. The 17th secret is to skip the 3,000-mile oil change myth. Many mechanics suggest changing oil every 3,000 miles, but modern engines can often go much longer. Many vehicles can safely go 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or even 10,000 with full synthetic oil. Just follow your car's manual to avoid unnecessary changes. Next, let's talk about changing fluids on schedule. Even if you drive gently, brake fluid and coolant degrade over time. Don't buy the myth that new cars don't need fluid changes. If your manual specifies replacements at certain mileage, stick to it. Skipping these can lead to expensive repairs down the line. The 20th secret is to ask for multiple repair options. If a part is broken, a good mechanic will offer several fixes, such as patching a hole, using a used part, or replacing it new. They should explain the pros and cons of each option, allowing you to decide based on budget and safety. If they only push the most expensive solution, it's time to get a second opinion. The 21st secret is to understand flat rate billing. Most shops use flat rate labor guides, meaning an hour on the invoice might not equal 60 actual minutes. Knowing this helps you see why your total might be higher than expected. Trust that the work is done efficiently, but always ensure you're comfortable with the charges. Finally, let's talk about the importance of test driving before you go. When picking up your car, ask to test drive it with the mechanic. If any issues persist, they can address them right away. Don't accept the car as fixed until you're confident the problem is truly resolved. And don't forget to scrutinize the final bill before finalizing payment. Make sure each line matches the original estimate and includes only authorized work. If you see unexpected charges, question them immediately. Getting corrections in writing can help catch errors before you pay. These 22 car repair secrets can empower you to make informed decisions and save money. Now that you know these tips, you can approach car repairs with confidence. If you found this information helpful, like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Share your experiences in the comments below.